Okay, so here we are again, today with EU, USD CAD, and Nasdaq. Okay, so EU, we were having a downtrend, and yesterday we started reversing this trend. Okay, we went to take this relevant liquidity on H1 that took this low, that even created a break and retest, some sort of reaction here. And this interesting explanation to explain my trade here. Today finally I had one good trade. And well, here we had the break obstructor to the downside, and here the break obstructor to the upside. Okay, so I decided to trade here because there was nothing to the left to reverse. We only had this, and this was kind of the move. It took the lows with the Asia low and everything. So after having this break obstructor, I looked for a buy. As you can see here, I entered here with a buy. I placed break even in this zone. Never closed the partial. I thought about it, but I didn't do it. Then it went down. I was doing my breakfast, so I came again and I saw this. This was the perfect entry here. Okay, this was the perfect entry here, like this or like this, and well, the result is much better. Okay, 1 to 13, but no, I entered here. Okay, with the stop loss here, and my first TP was up here. Okay, was up there. But well, I closed partial and break even here. Okay, then it went up. I closed another partial here. I'm gonna yeah, no, I think yeah, partial break even was up here. Then I got partial around here, and then I closed full TP here. And why? Because I saw this like an SMT and maybe a reversal, so I closed here, but just I closed like right here and then poof. But yes, the correct entry was with the target up here, and this was like my anxiety. I don't have to look at the price all the time. And then well, then it went up, taking the liquidity on H1, maybe this one, but well, it took the liquidity, and then it started going down. Then we had here, this was a really good trade, really, because we had a breakout starter here with nothing to the left. Then we had a breakdown, and this was a perfect entry. Okay, perfect entry here that I couldn't take because I was working, but the trade should have been this one, and maybe here, I don't know, maybe we would have a stop loss, but the perfect entry was here, and the target, first target here. Yeah, I would have closed here probably, but the really good one is here. Okay, so this was 1 to 10 perfect trade. I wasn't there, but yeah, it is what it is. Just yeah, just like that. Okay, and then USD CAD. I had USD CHF, but I'm gonna explain now why I trade USD CAD. Why I tried to trade USD CAD. As you can see, we had this break up with a lot of liquidity. So for me, this was relevant liquidity on each one. That's why I wanted to trade USD CAD, because USD CHF, let me show you. if it goes fast. Okay, USD CHF, we had an uptrend here, we started reversing, and yeah, we had this to the left, we had this, but for me, it wasn't relevant liquidity because here we had nothing, okay? So yeah, probably I could have looked for a buy, but yeah, nothing really, and then yeah, it didn't take the relevant liquidity on each one yet. But USD we just had a break up, and I doubted about looking for a sell because we already had 2 breaks down. But yeah, probably because there's nothing to the left, a sell would have been good. Yeah, break of structure to the downside. Yeah, perfect. It looks pretty good too. This was the round liquidity on each one, and here probably the trade, probably not. And then it reversed down here, and here we had what the round liquidity on M5 was here probably, and here we had this breakdown and this break. So yeah, luckily I didn't trade that because it was a stop loss. Probably I wouldn't have looked for a buy, for a sell, but well. Well, USD CAD, I'm hungry. Come on, computer, you can. Okay, USD CAD. We had a clear relevant liquidity on each one. I was looking for buys, but it broke the structure maybe here, but it was too late. And then I was looking for a sell here after taking the relevant liquidity on H1, which was the break of structure on H1 too. But I didn't trade that because of this week, okay, and because of this relevant liquidity on M5 that broke the relevant liquidity on H1. So at least I expected this high to be taken, and then it continued up. So yeah, nothing to trade here. Here we have this breakdown. Nothing to the left. Okay, so here we could have looked for a buy, but well. And then Nasdaq, we were having an uptrend too. A lot of buyers liquidity here, SMT. Then we took this high, okay, which was, well, their only liquidity was this one, but they are together, so yeah. And then we went down, and then it changed to the opposite again to take this liquidity, relevant liquidity on H1, relevant liquidity on H1, and well, and here it's pretty difficult to trade. This is relevant liquidity on 5, so yeah, pretty noisy, and well, that's my day. Okay, see you tomorrow. Oh well, yes, my account. With the trade, we went from 93,600 to 95,100. It should be more, but I closed the trade too early, so yeah, that's it. Well, I'm happy because I had a good trade. So see you tomorrow. Well, yeah, I'm happy. I'm like not. I'm more happy than yesterday, but yeah, I just have to keep improving. Okay, see you tomorrow.